Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm going to do some comparison for sound today. I'm going to do the Lab599 TX500 Discovery 500, sorry. Then my normal shack radio is the Yaesu 857 Delta. And then my normal POTA radio is the Yaesu 891. So there's a couple of guys doing a POTA right now down in North Carolina. They're real strong signals, so I recorded some of their stuff on each of those radios. I'm going to display the findings here, so stick around. So somebody left a comment on my last video with the TX500 about the headphones, being able to see what the difference between the headphones and the TX500 and the FT891 was. So I was trying to think of how that would make sense. And I have this inline recorder here. So what I did was I listened to the regular speaker, the speaker mic, or the speaker on the FT891, or the speaker on the FT857 Delta, and then I switched it over to using the headphone jack with this here recorder. So hopefully it doesn't sound too awful, and y'all can see what the difference is. But I think that the sound from all three radios is pretty comparable in my opinion, and they're all pretty excellent. So next up is the POTA activation.
Roger. Thank you very much. Stand by. Kilo Bravo 9, Juliet, Quebec uniform, you're 5 and 9er from November Charlie 4 X-ray Lima, QSL. QSL to 5-9 and you are 5-4-54. Thanks for being out there. 5 and 4, Kilowatt Bravo 0, Kilowatt Bravo 0. Whiskey Bravo 2, Foxtrot Echo Charlie. Whiskey Bravo 2, Foxtrot Echo Charlie, get on frequency. Whiskey Bravo 2, Foxtrot Echo Charlie, get on frequency. You're 5 and 9, 59. WB2 FEC, are you there? Whiskey Bravo 2, Foxtrot Echo Charlie, you're 5-9, Niagara Falls, New York. Roger, Nagasau, New York, in the 5 and 9, stand by for Mike. Kilo, November 4, X-ray for Papa, you're 5 and 9. Roger, you're 5-9 here to Niagara Falls, New York. Thank you very much for the 9 in New York. Who is the Kilo 4? Kilo 4 only? Kilo 4, Hotel America. Kilo 4, Hotel America. You're 5 and 9. Zulu, Foxtrot, Kilo. Kilo, Juliet 4, Zulu, Foxtrot, Kilo. You're 5 and 9. Roger, you are also 5-9. And can I have your call sign again, please? Roger, mine is Kilo, November 4, X-ray, Papa. And your state, sir? State is Tennessee. All right, stand by. Kilo Juliet 4 is Enzimo Foxtrot to November. Roger, Central Indiana in the 5 and 9. Stand by for Mike. Kilo November 4 X-ray Papa, you're 5 and 9. I got the 9 Indiana. Who's the Juliet Queen uniform?
Kilo Bravo 9er, Juliet, Quebec uniform.
Well, I got 3, so we'll work these. November 3 Delta Lima, 5 and 9. Roger to 5 and 9. I'll give you 59 back at you from Papa Alpha, Pennsylvania. Roger, Papa Alpha, and stand by for Mike. Kilo November 4 X-ray Papa, you're 5 and 9. Roger, 5-9, Mike. 5-9 back at you from Pennsylvania, Papa Alpha. Thanks, fellas. Thank you.
Thanks so much. You guys have a great one.
73 is who's November 4 Alpha Italy Mexico 5 and 9. Alpha Italy Mexico. Okay, I missed that one. Who's Delta Kilo India? Delta Kilo India. Roger, the strong 5-9, and I'll give you a strong 5-9 back from Tennessee. Stand by for Mike. All right, Kilo November 4 X-ray Papa, you're 5 and 9, 59 with me.
Thanks so much, 73. Thanks for this.
5-9 is Will into Maryland. I got Kilo 8226. Was there another part number? Roger, Kilo 6931 in QSL. Copy 6931. Thanks for the activation. God bless you both. 73. 73. Okay, everybody stand by. Kilo Charlie 4. Charlie. Alright, K4 Alpha Romeo, Quebec, I believe it is. Are you still here? Alright, K4 ARQ, I got the 590 or 59, stand by.
Alright guys, this was a short video to try to compare the speakers not only from the radios themselves, but also with the inline recorder if you're using headphones. I personally have listened to these quite a few times doing the editing of this, and I cannot make a decision on who sounds better. Leave a comment below if you think that there is a clear winner. Appreciate you sticking around. Like and subscribe if you will. If you don't, no big deal. Thanks for stopping by. 73.